range is beautiful on this machine, dude. Look, cap it, dude. So grateful to have a life like this.
लो कर लो बात, हम आपको गुड मॉर्निंग कहने आए और आप अभी तक सो रहे हो. चलो अब उठ जाओ.
Okay, alright, let's go. Ganpati Bappa Moria. The f is the headlight? Is this the headlight? You gotta be kidding me, dude. Oh, there you go.
Technology.
Okay. You can turn on the headlights on this one. Another day and another ride. Wow, camera is given up already. Oh, whoa, whoa. Man Max Fury Road, cut up. चलो full power में construction चल रहा है road का. I actually asked these guys to, leave this patch for me, so that I can test the scrambler on a little bit of off-roads. BMC is very considerate that way. Damn, it is all spooky in the morning, huh? Damn, it's very spooky here. Yeah, I need to set this camera up, dude. I'll go to the Powai Lake and do the honors. तब तक लटकते बैठ भाई. I've already gotten late. I mean, why do I even every goddamn time? I mean, there's no one that I've kept waiting. It's just me for this entire ride. But I was planning on leaving at 4:30 in the morning, and yeah, as usual, I've gotten late.
क्यों नहीं हो रही पढ़ाई?
Man, it feels good, huh? A little cold. The f was that, dude? That guy was very creepy. Okay, I've reached here. The Powai Lake. I'll fix this damn thing. Hey, इधर क्या चल रहा है भाई? Okay. भी ऐसा टाइट किया है ना, हिलते हिलेगा नहीं बिल्कुल. Today, by the way, I'll talk about where am I riding, what am I riding, everything. I'm sure you may have guessed by now what I am riding, but today is 14th of Feb. Today is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, and I'm celebrating my love for motorcycling because और option ही क्या है? Man, this feels so nice. क्या सरसराते हुए जाती है यार ये बाइक. Headlight surely is pointless. By the time you notice people ahead, you're already about to kiss them. चलिए जी, we've reached the Eastern Express Highway. I can't see shit. यहाँ से अपन लेंगे right और फिर पेलेंगे सीधा. So I guess now is a good time to talk about the ride. Well, it's a bit dark, but well, you can't do much. The agenda of the ride today is absolutely nothing.
सुबह तो तुम लोग 2 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा ऑन करके ऐसे वीडियो बना रहे हो.
I am riding to Pune. Friends at Triumph asked me, there's this Triumph scrambler available. Do you want to check it out? And I was like, मौका है, दस्तूर है, ले लेते हैं यार. Then I thought कि चलो, now I've got a scrambler, so what do I do with it? What a fucking privilege, na? I'm not flexing, guys. I genuinely am not flexing. I just realized to myself that what a fucking privilege. कि बाइक है, बताओ कहाँ लेके जाए. Today is Friday, so आज Friday करके Saturday Sunday आ रहा है, तो एक लंबा वीकेंड मार लेते और निकल जाते हैं कहीं दूर. अब दूर दूर कहाँ जाएंगे? May as well go to Pune. So yeah, that's basically the agenda of this ride. I just got an opportunity, and I may have uploaded the video yet or not, I don't know. But what happened is I've spoken about it in a recent video where I realized after my Motoverse ride, which I had done after a really long time, like I went after some 3-4 months, and that's when I realized how much I missed long distance riding, touring and everything. Now Mumbai to Pune is not really a tour of sorts, but you get my point, right? So I missed the longer rides, and I felt like I should do this more often, man. So well, here's just me revisiting. Hey, this Alturas is almost as big as a Fortuner, dude. but you're not as fast as me. I'm fast as fuck, boy. I'm fast as fuck. Please don't be like me, guys. Please. So yeah, I mean, Arey yaar, now this, I don't know what is it with this Google map and this link road, dude. It always takes you through this road, and once you're on this road, it will keep giving that tudung, tudung, and it will give this the entire, क्या हो गया भाई इधर, कुछ तो हुआ है, and it will give this error through the entire length of this bridge. My aim is to reach Lonavala before the sunrise, so that I can nicely enjoy the ghats with a view. I mean, I can easily make it before sunrise. ना मैं जानू ना तू जाने.
I guess we'll never know.
Man, it runs so well, dude. This machine doesn't break a sweat, no matter what the speed. It's a little pillowy on curves, huh? This suspension doesn't inspire confidence. Chalo chalo bachcho, patak se औकात में चलो, because now starts the express highway. The dawn is arriving. Look at how beautiful the sky is. The sun has started to rise, and now I'm getting slightly worried that I may or may not make it to Lonavala before sunrise. How far is Lonavala? Khandala is 27 kilometers. Well, that's going to at least take me half an hour. I mean, I can easily make it before sunrise. Well, the sun has properly risen, and I've not reached Kolkata. What? Kolkata? Lonavala yet? Man, I need some coffee. Whew. It's quite cold out here. Well, technically speaking, the sun hasn't properly risen yet. It is starting to get a little brighter, but the sun hasn't risen yet. So come on, guys. Right, now we will enter Khandala in a bit. Ghat mein maza aayega. I just hope that there's no traffic, dude. Sheh. There will be some trucks here and there, but I hope after a point it clears out.
Oye, vamos a tirar una vez más. Miguelito. Dale hasta abajo, baby, no hay más nada. Vamos despacito que te voy a guayar. Dice taquiti taqui 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 ta. Taquiti taqui 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 ta. Muévelo como taqui ta 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 ta. Ven acá. Taquiti taqui 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 ta ta ta. Taqui 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 ta. Ven acá. Taquiti taqui taqui ta. Oye, baby, vamos a hacerlo toda la noche aquí no espero. Este bicho para pelo, mami, replicando cuero la noche, rotos en la toque, una negra dura le di hasta la catorce. Dale hasta abajo, baby, no hay más nada.
Beautiful sunrise, no? Totally worth it. Let's not waste too much time and head ahead. Hey, look at that guy. It's all just emotional purchases, man. Wow, look at that. It looks like a game, man. What do you say? Should I use the ND filter? कुछ आज ही करना है मेरे को.
A few moments later.
Chalo ji, our camera is set. Shooting manual after a long time. Well, I had the time and I had the opportunity, so I thought may as well use it, right?
आइए देखते हैं.
Do you find the video quality better? You see the motion blur? And it is very pleasant out here in Pune, dude. The weather, even in full sunlight, there's such cool breeze. Feels so nice. उधर मुंबई में पता नहीं भाई किस चीज़ का कम है, इतना गर्मी. I'm trying to filter through the traffic as soon as possible because it's a weekday, and as the day starts, the traffic is gonna get really wild. I'm trying to cross whatever little that I can as soon as possible. See, it's already starting to get wild now. By the way, I'm going at my friend's place at Pune. I'll just go there, chill for a bit. We may or may not go on a ride. अरे यार क्या हो गया इधर? The heck? Man, this rides so well, dude. The scrambler. The suspension is so plush. I'm generally not bothered about any pothole, any undulation. Holy mother of God, the road is so fucking bright. क्या हो गया भाई? Why is everyone crashing today here? Of course, if you're riding with that confidence on the wrong side, then you are bound to crash. फिर क्या हो गया भाई? लोग गिर पड़ क्यों रहे हैं भाई आज?
The next day.
Katraj Chowk.
Katraj Chowk.
कातरज बोलना भाई. Man, this feels so nice. Woo! The sense of liberty that an open road gives you, man. No, nothing in this world is going to give you that sort of a freedom, dude. Open roads above everything in life. Open roads. Woo! What a lovely start to the day. I don't want to jinx myself, but lovely start to the day. Such a nice raspy exhaust note to it on this one. One of the very few sweet sounding single cylinders. I don't like the KTMs. I mean, I haven't really experienced the latest ones, the 399cc. Damn! Inline 4s, dude. Where am I? क्या बोल रहा है भाई तू single cylinders के बारे में? Look at that sweet symphony. But anyway, औकात में आते हैं वापस. I don't know the single cylinder KTMs now, the 399 ones. But this one sounds beautiful. Look at it go, dude. And no matter what the gear you're in, it'll just go. Look at that. And very sweet linear power delivery, huh? But such a well-behaved motorcycle, man. Nothing too eventful. I mean, not in a boring way, but nothing that is scary or nothing that is worth paying attention to. You can take it easy, very forgiving. Feels very nice. I don't know why I suddenly just from the morning started reviewing this bike. इतने जल्दी क्यों लाइट्स बंद कर दिए भाई? Damn, look at the dawn. There is a house in New Orleans. There go. Holy moly, look at that. What a pleasant view, dude. The birds nicely flying around. Man, I wish I could have made it to Lonavala for this view. But theek hai yaar. Life is too short. Man, at the back it's beautiful, dude. I'm going the wrong direction. Yeah, it will rise from the back. I'll have a great view of myself. Once the sun rises slightly, I turn on the camera. फिर आएगा मजा. These human beings on the road should come with reflectors, man. Bhagwan ji, in the next update, please add some reflectors on the human body. जैसे वो कुत्तों का eyeballs, कुत्ते के eyeballs रहते हैं ना ऐसा reflect करने वाले. Do something like that for the entire body, God, please. Because otherwise they won't be visible. Sneaky little bastards.
A few inches later.
Not recommended, guys, but can do some good speeds, huh? Can do some good speeds. And it's pretty well planted also on the road. Doesn't feel underconfident doing such speeds. I got the opportunity of an empty road. I had to take it, guys. Okay, now's the time to, show you guys myself. Oh, what a lovely view behind. Man, that felt good though. I mean, I got, whoa, what was that maneuver, dude? That wasn't at all necessary. Could have done it later on as well. क्यों करने हैं भाई इतनी stuntbazi? I may make it by sunrise, I don't know. Can I stand up on this one? Yeah, very easily. You can nicely stand straight. A little, I have to stretch a bit, just a bit, to reach the handlebars, but otherwise it seems very nice. Oh, it's starting to get very cold over here. Hey, Batman! Looks nice, dude. In the first glance, it looked like some wing. My shoulders are slightly feeling some stress very early on. My body is not warm enough. I should have actually, bhai, thoda to sabr karo. Are you mad or what? I mean, I know that you're confident in my riding skills, but I'm not confident in your stupidity. So please do some due diligence and be a little respectful to who is coming on the road. They might kill you. Not me. I'm not saying it's me. Someone might kill you. What was I talking about? I was talking about something. What was I talking about, dude? Completely forgot. My shoulders, yeah. That was a task. So my shoulders have, I did not warm my body up. I should have actually. Should have done some push-ups and everything. But I was very late, so freshened up and left. See, this is where you realize that it's quite bouncy. God damn, look at the view at the behind. At the behind. Look at that, dude. Oh man, I'm missing out. I don't know if you guys can say, bhai.
मेरा एरिया है और एरिया में.
What is wrong with you guys? अरे भाई ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है. Just wait for 2 minutes. 2 मिनट के लिए रुक जाओ बस. पूरा खाली होने दो. See, there's at least 100 meters of empty road and then cross the road ना. God damn it.
ये तो सही नहीं है.
You know what? I'll just park, dude. Look at that beautiful sunrise, man. God damn it. Hush. Holy mother of God. My bag is intact. Very little play on this one. Whew. I'll click a photo. Look at that. God damn it.
जीने में आए मजा.
Man, how beautiful it looks. This, by the way, is my riding setup. I have a backpack on the back which has my laptop and everything. I did not want to carry it on the seat because I thought I may, run over potholes and I don't want to mess with the laptop. And this is the Trip Machine tank bag, which is magnetic, so it nicely slaps on without any fuss. And this is the Ragear tail bag, which is clipped onto the seats, so that stays in put, doesn't move a bit. Just a little play here and there, but that's fine. It doesn't move or get off the seat. So this is a very nice and minimal setup that I've got. Looks very nice. But how beautiful does the bike look now in the whole setup? Very sweet. Nice golden hour going on right now. Man, what else do you need, dude? This is just a beautiful, beautiful life. So grateful. Beautiful super meteor as well. So grateful to have a life like this. Let's go. See, Auntie is doing her due diligence. Auntie is waiting for the traffic to clear up and only then crossing the road. See, Auntie is wearing red, but she's a green flag. I'm getting a nice halo behind me. अपन को लगता है अपन ही भगवान है. Now see, let's corner and check how it feels. Lost some grip over there. Okay, there is some oil on the road. God damn it. There was... Damn, look at that. Beautiful, dude. There was... See, there are these oil drips. Very risky, huh? Very, very risky. I did lose traction a bit. ऐसा twitch हो गया थोड़ा सा. But I immediately got in line and realized that I shouldn't go that fast. Look at that. I don't know if it's cloud or smoke, but it surely does look beautiful. God damn it. Look at those windmills and everything. God damn. I wish I were on that side of the road. Grass is always greener on the other side, they say, huh? Oh no. God damn it. What happened? Looks like it has happened just now. happened, dude? Oh, that's where it's crashed. Oh, that is where it crashed. Chalo, let's go. Damn, the wheel and everything has gotten off. Man, we need to be very careful around, especially on highways as well, man. You see the road is empty, you get a little overconfident. Roads are very humbling that way. You see how a little millisecond of error in your judgment can change things so drastically, dude. I hope all of the passengers and whoever was there in the car are safe. I don't see any airbags being deployed, so well, सीट बेल्ट वगैरह नहीं लगाया होगा. सन प्लीज, अभी शेड कुछ नहीं चाहिए भाई, अभी मेरे को धूप चाहिए थोड़ी सी. आई फील वेरी कोल्ड. वाओ, चलो लगा लेते यार एंडी बेल्टर, कर लेते थोड़े से मज़े. These by the way are Viterra Kruger gloves. Very nice, very comfortable. 1, 2, 3, and they just lack some good protection on this thing, scaphoid bone. It needs to have some sliders, you know. Lonavala is just 6 kilometers. Maganlal Chikki aa gayi, matlab Lonavala aa gaya bhai. You know you're in Lonavala when you see Maganlal Chikki and Sunil's Wax Museum. See? Museum. This is not Sunil's Museum though, but there are a lot of Sunil's Wax Museum. How about a little high-speed run, huh? Man, I miss my earplugs. The mid-range is beautiful on this machine, dude. Comes alive. Tons and tons of vibrations, huh? If you wing it like this, you are gonna be... Can stick to a goddamn lane, dude. Idiot, dude. Man, this was such a relaxing, easy ride. Very easy. Okay, I'm supposed to take an exit from here. What do you say, huh? India is not for beginners. I thought I was being cool. Look at it go. Of course, a lot of vibrations come in. Man, I should do such rides often, dude. I mean, this is only when I went on the Motoverse ride is when I realized that I miss these long distance rides. And yeah, that was a good enough, trigger for me to get back to riding for longer now. So this is one of those attempts that I to get back to touring, to get back to long distance riding. So of course the Mumbai is quite an easy ride, so to say, but it's very fun as well, man. Damn, man, this looks like a supercar, dude. Holy moly, what are you cooking, Mahindra? Some crazy looking car. Really looks like a supercar, man.
Hello there.
What's your name? Mandar. Nice to meet you, man. Right. आताच पुण्यावरनं आलोय मी. ऑफिसला चाललायस? चलो, see you. Chalo, a good end to a good ride. Met a subscriber as well. Another task marked off the test checklist. Meet a subscriber. And it's good that he's also geared up. I get very happy when I see that my subscribers are properly geared. I mean, he had his helmet on, his gloves on. Proud of my subscribers. Proud of y'all, guys. Proud of y'all. Also put in some riding jacket and put in some riding boots as well in the equation. You know, casual riding boots, riding sneakers also. Clan shoes also makes some good shoes. So yeah, you can get those. Mast aisa. You can be ready for your daily commute. Eastern Express Highway we've reached now. And अभी क्या बस पवे का ट्रैफिक और घर जाके मिजरी में सो जाना, यही बाकी है आज. Filtering through traffic is what? Such a tongue twister. Filtering through traffic. बेवड़े जैसा साउंड कर रहा हूँ मैं. Filtering through traffic is, yeah, see, I've made it finally. Filtering through traffic is a breeze on this one, despite its height and weight and everything. Doesn't feel like a task. Chalo, we've made it to the Republic of Goregaon. ये तो ट्रैफिक का सिलसिला तो चलता ही रहेगा. I hope you liked what you watched and I'll see you next week, you know, because that's what I've been doing lately. Super consistent, the most consistent YouTuber in the world. That's me.
Bonus.
क्या हो गया भाई इधर? Oh, of course, archaeology project powered by BMC. All this while I was properly through the entire ride of 200 kilometers. I was properly dry. इधर आके कीचड़ मिल गया मेरे को. यही तो बात है भाई अपने गोरेगांव की, अपने आर्य कॉलोनी की. देश का धूल, देश की मिट्टी. यहाँ देश की मिट्टी, देश का कीचड़, देश की धूल सब मिलेगा यहाँ पे. तुम पूछो बस क्या चाहिए. सीधा 2025 इंडिया से 1947 इंडिया पे. क्या हो गया भाई, इतनी लंबी लाइन? बाप रे, मेरे अराइवल को देखने के लिए इतने लोग.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara